Hi guys, welcome back in another video, and today we are gonna be playing the train surfers. I don't know what it's called, but I don't care anyways. It's called Subway Surfers. Let's go. What are we gonna do? Who knows? Maybe we're gonna destroy the whole world. Who knows? Who knows what is gonna happen? Maybe some subway tunnel are gonna come soon. Who knows? There. Oh, boom! La la la! Why did I die? I just got 59 coins. I make better. The top coins, the most coins that I'll get. I don't know. Let's figure out how much coins we're gonna get. Till the end, I think you guys want to have some popcorn. Because I don't know. Oh, that's what I got. But I got them out. Stupid policeman. Surfing and trains. Guys, I'm surfing. Why am I not surfing? Stupid trains. What the hell? I gone down. You guys might want to start it. Oh, I got a gift. A key. I got a key. Wait, another one? I got some moolah. Only 3. Guys, I made 109 coins. We can make better. I'm gonna get as many coins as I can. You see guys, the coins that we get are from like this, you see guys, the coins which are on the ground. Yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. No one is gonna destroy me today. No one can kill me, because I have those skills. Yeah, no one will kill me today. I don't care anymore. Who cares? Who cares? Guys, comment down below how many coins I made last round. Who cares? I robbed myself with 1 key. I don't even care.
Wait, are you playing Subway Surfer?
What the hell are you doing here?
Hey, let me try. Let me show you how I play.
No.
Please. I'll be very happy. Let me play.
I'm supposed to be doing a video alone, so get out of here.
No, please.
Hey.
If you let me play, I'll give you free stuff.